Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to unbrick your one-shot miner. That's right, look, we're stuck again. We got another video out for you. 80%. So without any further ado, let's get started. Maybe you're stuck at 70%. We got one running and one not running. So without any further ado, let's get started. Special thanks to Bob 2025 for steering us in the right direction, and we use ChatGTP to get the public pools from another miner that's being sent to us as a collaboration, and that miner uses 3 pools. We're going to use either both the pools or one of the pools, and the fallback pool has from one of these by default, whichever works for you. But in this video we'll see what we'll just do what works right for us. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to press the reset button on this miner. The reset button is right here on the top. Okay, as you can see, this is the USB-C version. We're just going to hold it down until it flashes, and it's going to bring us back into the setup screen. Okay, and there it is. Make it better? No, it actually makes it worse. Got 594 seconds. On this miner right here, the reset button is right there, the second button. So just hold that one down. But we're only going to reset one. And then as you can see here, in our Wi-Fi setup, we're going to go here. It'll take a minute or two to show up, and once it shows up we should see it on 5, 4, 3, 2, wait for it. Oh, there we go. Connect to it. You're going to reconnect your Wi-Fi experience. See, there we go. It's like a hotel, just auto populate. You should see a menu push up. Okay, and then after we do that, just wait for it. There we go. We want to reset our Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network, type in your Wi-Fi password. Okay. And now after that, we're going to see we got our public pools in there from the OneShot Miner. We could leave one in there. It'll still work, but it takes longer. So we're going to put both in there. We could do like this, put one from the OneShot Miner, and we can put foundryusa.com as the primary, right? So you could leave it like this. One from like the Jingle Miner. It's a public pool, which means if you win, you get everything. And then you could leave it as the fallback pool has the one-shot miner, or vice versa. But in this case, both pools are down. So for the sake of this video, we'll just put them both in there so we can get them a miner up and running. But ideally, you want to keep 2 different fallback pools in there. But I would highly recommend, if you have patience, to do one versus one or the other. All right, one and the other actually. And then we're going to click save. Okay, but this is just to get you up and running so that you can see. But this one has one from the Jingle Miner and one from the OneShot Miner has the fallback. And as you can see, it's rebooting. And wait for it. It says activated. You want to see the Wi-Fi screen, and wait for it. And then on our boot, you can see we only got 2 miners up and running because the other one crashed on reboot. And if we refresh, we should see 3 in there. Once this one says making it better, it's connected at 80%. 80% should give us that. And then refresh, nothing yet. So this is the part that requires patience. Patience, please. I'm going to set the timer here, see how long it actually takes. Oh, wow. Let's set it for 3 minutes on the countdown and begin. Again, this part takes a little bit of time. 2 minutes and 54 seconds into the clock. We'll wait and see. You could just put it down, and we want to see it. So maybe I'll do a hyperlapse. Ah, there we go. No sense for hyperlapse. And then if we tap it, they said, lets you scroll the screen, but apparently not. You might have to. Sometimes the stylus works. That fancy stylus they sent you, don't worry about it. Anything will work. And there it is. Voila. See, and everything. We just got a little hash rate. There'll be a link in the description to another video that'll show you what all these numbers mean. But that's how you get up and running. We're using the pools from another resource, which is fine. But you probably want the other public pools in there. And the pools are down was when you go to the main link of your pools, which is right here. See the public pools? Hit refresh. These are the 2 by default that are in your one-shot miner, and there's nothing there. So check the pools first. If the pools are down, then your miner will be down and bricked at 80%. Check your Bitcoin wallet. If you have dollars instead of Bitcoin, that will also brick your miner. Check your Wi-Fi settings. If you don't have the correct Wi-Fi settings in there, that will brick your miner. So it's a process of all, but check here first so that you make sure you know what you're doing before you just, go resetting your router and everything else. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.